Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for the CTV USA, and here are the major headlines. Millions of people in Texas still had issues with their water supply after a record breaking freeze knocked out power stations last week. Texans are still being advised to boil water before using, though all power plants were back online over the weekend and power has been restored to most homes as the weather returned to normal. Footages from the Dallas area showed numerous lines of vehicles snaking around entire city blocks as residents waited in line to receive both clean water and food aid packages. A deadly winter storm caused widespread blackouts last week across Texas, a state unaccustomed to extreme cold, killing at least 2 dozen people and knocking out power to millions at its peak. President Joe Biden approved a major disaster declaration for Texas that makes federal funding available to people harmed by the storm, including assistance for temporary housing and home repairs at low cost loans. A 139-year-old San Francisco house got a brand new address, 6 blocks away, thanks to an extensive team of engineers and construction workers who helped in moving the house. The mint green Victorian house was loaded onto a flatbed truck and moved from its lot onto its new home several streets away. Spectators turn out to cheer and take pictures as the 5,000 square foot house began its journey to its new location. At several points, construction workers were needed to cut back branches so the house could pass down some of the street's tree lined streets. The US Supreme Court paved the way for a New York City prosecutor to obtain former President Donald Trump's tax returns. The court rebuffed Trump's request to put on hold an October 7th lower court ruling. The Supreme Court had already ruled once in the dispute last July, rejecting Trump's broad argument that he was immune from criminal probes as a sitting president. Unlike all other recent US presidents, Trump refused during his 4 years in office to make his tax returns public. The data could provide details on his wealth and the activities of his family real estate company, the Trump Organization. Texas Governor Greg Abbott said that utility regulators will temporarily ban power companies from billing customers or disconnecting them for non payment after the deadly winter storm that caused widespread blackouts. Abbott estimated power would be restored across the state very soon. The governor called an emergency meeting with state lawmakers after reports of many customers receiving bills for thousands of dollars for just a few days' electricity service, while Texas was gripped in minus temperatures. He said the Public Utility Commission of Texas will order electricity companies to pause sending bills to customers and will issue a temporary hold on disconnection for non payments. The state will use the time to find a way to protect utility customers, Abbott said. The issue about utility bills and the skyrocketing prices that so many homeowners and renters are facing is the top priority for the Texas legislature right now, he said. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.